Cooking and meal prep doesn't have to be a painful, arduous process. I'm no chef, and neither do I aspire to be one, but I am someone who is interested in reaping the maximum benefits of my diet for whole body, total body health, including that of our skin. So I'm going to teach you how I prepare my daily lunchbox for work in a quick and efficient way, under 15 minutes, all the time. Now, there are three important things we need. First of all, a pressure cooker. Secondly, I also use a portable electric cooker. Some people may also consider that an electric hot pot or a mini warmer. I use that because it's perfectly sized for meal prep when it comes to your own work lunchbox for the day. The other item, of course, would be a lunchbox. I like to use a bento style lunchbox which has compartments because I think compartmentalizing your food has quite a few benefits, both psychological as well as in terms of being more appealing when it comes to how we view food, whether it's appetizing or not. And at the end of the day, I want to show you through this course that you really want to learn how your brain and your personal psychology responds to food in order to best master this relationship that we have. I think that if you are a beauty lover, you're interested in skincare, in overall health and wellness, then food could very easily be the single most important thing that you must master.